Hello dear students, today in this video we are going to cover rest part of adverbs. In our previous videos we have learned what is adverb and what are the different kinds of adverb. So let's revise the meaning of adverb. That an adverb is a word which modifies the verb, adverb or an adjective. We have learned the different kinds of adverb, that is adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, and then relative adverbs, interrogative adverbs and exclamatory adverbs also we will come to know about these also, that how these relative adverbs work, interrogative adverbs work and exclamatory adverbs work, right? So when I told you that how we have to get adverb of time in a sentence, I have told you to make a question with word when, W-H-E-N, okay. So then you will come to know that it is working as an adverb of time or something else as it is. If you are able to frame the question with when and answer of that when is given in that sentence, so you will get that adverb of time. Next is adverb of place or position. So here we will do, here we will frame a question with where, W-H-E-R-A. Next one is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner is how, right? So how the action took place or something like that, means what was the manner of that. So this is adverb of manner. Next one is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency, how often or how many times. You can frame the question like this, how many times, okay. So these are the value points, these are the tips for you which can, from which you can easily find out the adverbs, the kinds of adverbs. Next one is adverb of degree. This we have to do today, okay. In our previous videos we have completed all these fours. So adverb of degree is what? Degree is what means extent, right? Okay, if you have done something, if suppose I have given you some project work to do, and if I'll ask you how much you have done, okay, so how much is completed and how much is left, that how much word will help you to know about the degree of the adverb. So here you have to frame the question with how much, okay. So that this is for this adverb of degree. Now let's understand this in detail with the examples. An adverb of degree or extent, right? An adverb of degree tells us how much something is done. Means for example, I just gave you the example of the project work. So like your mother has served you the dinner and you are watching TV also and you are eating too, and she will ask from the kitchen how much is left, right? So that is what? That is the extent of your work, what you have done, how much you have finished and how much is left in your plate. Clear? So he is very strong. He is very strong. But if we will remove this word very from here, the sentence will be he is strong. But this will not tell us that how much strong he is. But if we will add this word very here, so that will add that he is very strong. Clear? So how much strong he is, this word very is giving answer of this how much. So that's why this very is working as an adverb of degree. Next one is you are quite right. Again you remove this word, you are right. But how much right you are? You are quite right, okay. So this is giving us the degree, that how much, how up to which extent you are right or up to which extent you are wrong. Next is I was hardly ready when he arrived. So I was hardly ready. Just remove this word. I was ready when he arrived. So this is not giving any adverb. But if I add I was hardly ready, right, when he arrived, so how much ready you were there that time? So that is what? Hardly ready, right? The mangoes were almost ripe. So here this word almost is telling us the degree of the ripeness of the mangoes, right? That how much were the mangoes were almost ripe. Clear? So these words, the underlined words with red, these all are telling us adverb of degree in the sentences. Now I will give you some of the words which will show the adverb of degree or intensity, quantity or range or extent, or all in the same manner. So number one is what? Almost. Number one is almost. Second is altogether. Third one is any, as, completely, enough, fairly, far, fully, hardly, much, more, most, perfectly, quite, rather, to, very, deeply, entirely, greatly, only. Here you have to take care of this thing. Quite, this is Q-U-I-T-E. Do not write quiet, Q-U-I-E-T, that means to be quiet, to be silent, okay? This is Q-U-I-T-E, and that's the difference. So these words and many more are there, but these are some of the important which are used generally to show the degree, adverb of degree. So just take the screenshot of this, note down this in a notebook, and after that we will today in this video complete the exercises of these first 5 kinds: adverb of time, adverb of place, manner, frequency and degree. And then in next part of video we will learn the uses of and the functions of relative adverbs, interrogative adverbs and exclamatory adverbs. But first you just take the screenshot and then be ready with your grammar books. We have to do the exercises. So just take the screenshot and note down. Now let's talk about the exercises of chapter number 16, adverbs and degrees of comparison. So which is starting from page number 122 of your Cordova learning series grammar for class 7. So on page number 122 you will see the exercise A, and here the explanation is given here which we have done already, but if you want to read you can read that from here. Now exercise is what? Read the following sentences and underline the adverbs. So we have just finished that. So we will read one by one all the sentences and we will try to find out the adverbs. The rabbit disappeared quickly behind the bushes. Now, very first you have to see, I have told you that you have to look for the verb first. What is the verb here? Disappeared is verb, right? Now, rabbit disappeared. How it may be where, it may be when, or it may be how often, or it may be how much. Okay. So here the rabbit disappeared quickly. Quickly is what? Quickly is telling us what? Manner, right? So this quickly is what here? Adverb. Here you have not been asked to mention the kind, but if you know you can note down the kind also. But I am telling you the rabbit disappeared quickly, मतलब जल्दी से भाग गया. कैसे भाग गया? जल्दी से. So this is what? Manner here. The traffic policeman spoke angrily now and imposed a fine on the bus driver. Now the verb is which one? Spoke, right? And the traffic policeman spoke. How he spoke? How he spoke? कैसे बात करी उसने? Angrily. So this angrily is what? Once again adverb of manner. So like this, that's very easy. You have to just look for the verb first, and then accordingly you have to frame the question with when, where, how often or how much. So Nidhi rarely makes a mistake. Now, so Nidhi rarely makes a mistake. So this make is what here? Verb here, right? Makes is a verb. Now mistake is not adverb, but Sunidhi rarely makes mistake means how often? कितनी बार मिस्टेक्स करती हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ ऑफन, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, दिस इज व्हाट फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो दिस रेयरली इज व्हाट हियर एडवर्ब, बट दिस मेक्स इज व्हाट हियर verb. So you have to underline only rarely here. Next one is the fruit drink was quite refreshing. So the fruit drink was quite refreshing, right? So here what is the verb? Verb is which one here? Was. Because when there is no action word is, main verb is there, so helping verb works as a main verb. So here the fruit drink was quite refreshing. Kitna tha? How much, right? So it was quite. So this is what this is showing here, degree of adverb, that fruit drink was quite refreshing, right? The child happily embraced his mother. See, embraced is this. Embraced means to hug. So the child happily embraced his mother. Embraced is verb. And कैसे उसने embrace किया अपनी mother को? Happily. So this is what? This is telling us adverb of manner. So happily you have to underline. The movie was very entertaining, right? Then what you will do here? How much? Right, so that was degree. That will tell us the degree that the movie was very entertaining. So very word you have to underline as an adverb of what? It is adverb of degree, but you can only just note it down only this. Next is Sameer runs faster than Rohan. Sameer runs faster. Abhi, runs is what? Verb here. And faster is what? Faster is showing us the degree. So faster is what? Means कैसे दौड़ता है? Manner. So this is what? Manner. How he runs? He runs faster. Clear? Sameer runs faster than Rohan. So how Sameer runs? Faster. Faster is what? How. And how is what? Manner. Next is they giggled loudly. They giggled. How they giggled? They giggled loudly. So this is also manner, this word loudly. Now next come to page number 124 24 of your book, and here we have to do exercise number 2. Please listen and read the exercise carefully. Read the following sentences and circle the adverbs. What you have to do? You have to circle the adverbs, underline the modified word and state whether it is a verb, adjective or adverb. Because in the definition itself we have learnt that it may modify verb, adjective or adverb. So it may be anything. The first one has done for you. He always praises her. So praises is what here? That is verb. So this is the word to which this adverb is modifying, and always is what? Always is adverb. Clear? Second sentence, she rode the bike slowly. Now she rode the bike slowly. Clear? Now rode is what here? Verb. So we have to underline rode. Now how she rode the bike? Slowly. So slowly is what here? Slowly is adverb, but we have to tell here this road is what? Adverb or verb. So this is what? Verb we have to write down here. The incident was rather unfortunate. The incident was rather unfortunate. कैसा incident था? Unfortunate. So this unfortunate we have to underline, and this is working as an adjective here. This is working as an adjective. This is telling about the incident, the quality of the incident, that it was rather unfortunate. And this rather is what? Rather is adverb of degree. Clear? So this is what? You have to circle this, and this is adverb of degree. Okay, but you will not mention here. You will tell the modifier only, that which word is modifying which one. The moon had already risen in the evening sky. So see, the verbs had or risen. Clear? Had and risen are the verbs. Already. Already is what? Already is telling us the adverb. So this already is what? Adverb, and had risen is verb. So we have to write down here verb. Next one is the children are extremely excited about the excursion. The children are extremely excited. Clear? कितने खुश हैं? Excited is what? Excited is what? That's an adjective. It's not verb. Okay, it's not adverb too. So it is adjective. Now कितने खुश हैं, कितने happy हैं? They are extremely happy, extremely excited. So this is extremely. Extremely मतलब बहुत, कितना. Clear? So this is what? Adverb. So like this you have to do the exercise. Take the screenshot and do in your notebook. Exercise number C. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with the appropriate adverbs from the box. Hints are there in the bracket. I opened the door, the cat jumped. Adverb of place. So here we have to see well is not adverb of place, enthusiastically is place, is not place, inside is place, outside is also place, and out is place. But I opened the door and cat jumped means that may be out. So here it is out. The old lady sat dash as she wanted to protect herself from the chilly winds. Adverb of place. So if we want to protect ourselves from the chilly winds, where we sit? Inside. So that second one is what? Inside, which is adverb of place. Next is don't drive dash as it is risky. Adverb of manner. Don't drive. The word is well, enthusiastically, inside, outside, out, and fast. So what is the exact answer here? Fast. Fourth is the basketball match is interesting and the players are playing the game. Adverb of manner you have to do. Now manner is one only here, that is what, see, two are there, enthusiastically and well. So basketball match is interesting, this is enthusiastically. ENTHUSIASTICALLY, enthusiastically. Next is, now the students behaved dash during the excursion. Adverb of manner, right? So it is well. It is well. The bag is new and should not kept dash as it might rain. It is place you have to do, adverb of place. So the bag is new and should not be kept dash as it might rain. So rain kahan hoti hai? Outside. So this is what you have to do here, outside. Okay, so like this you have to understand first the sentences and then you have to fill in the blanks. So this is what we have done till now. Next exercise is given on page number 125, but there we have the words are given here. Separate the following adverbs and write them in the different columns. But here they are asking us relative adverbs also. We will fill it, but we will discuss in our next video that what is relative adverb. So here fast, here, today, completely, where and whenever, quickly, upstairs, late, unusually, and totally. Here I will tell you this word where and whenever. These are relative adverbs. So this you can write down first and we will discuss all this and then we will do. So you first write down where and whenever in the column of relative. Now, fast is what? Fast is telling us the manner, right? So this fast you will write down in the column of manner. Here telling us the place. So here you will write down in the column of place. Today is telling us the time. So in the column of today you have to in the column of time you have to write down today. Completely means degree, right? How much? So that is you have to write down here in the column of degree. Where can be of place, okay, but that will not tell actually because this is WH family here, so that is a relative adverb. Next is quickly. Quickly is how, so that is manner, adverb of manner. Next is upstairs. Upstairs will tell the position of something or place of something, so that is adverb of place. Late is adverb of time. Usually is adverb of frequency, means kitni baar, how often. So usually is adverb of frequency. Totally matlab telling us the degree of something. So that is how much. So totally you will do in the column of degree. And last one is once. Once is once again, how often, how many times. So that is frequency. So that's all for today. Just take the screenshot of these exercises, note down in your books, and please send your books in the school office for correction work. Thank you very much. Be safe, be healthy, and prepare for examination.